Okay, firework challenge to $1 all the way up to $1 billion. First, we do $1 firework. That thing didn't even explode, bro. Wait, I'm gonna go get it. Okay, guys. So I think that I think it worked. I think it only works on the ground. So okay, let's attach some $100 parts to the $1 part, which was 3D print. So first we got this rocket. Now we gotta connect $100 part with rocket. Now we put on. Thank you, cameraman. Anyways, I don't even need those, so you just wasted the money on those. Anyways, this is $100 firework. This is the most realistic one. What is it? Oh, small explosion. Okay. Anyways. Okay. $1,000 firework. Yes, stare at that. Oh. This is a ground firework, so yeah. Okay. Hopefully I survive.
And I didn't.
Okay, guys. Well, that was a fail. So now we're gonna do $10,000 firework, which is basically the sausage. Oh, even though it's called the talkie, I like to call it sausage. The blue ones are called blue talkies with ranch, but I don't want to use those. Those are too complicated. I'm waiting to use them for the $1 billion one. Okay, let's do this. You can see the smoke trail. Oh, let me go check it out. It didn't work. Anyways, let's go do $100,000 firework. So basically, is it this? Let me just test something. Okay, yes, it did work. So we got this. We got this. Yes. Hey! 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 Where's my crossbow going? Where is crossbow? Whatever. I'll buy another one. Okay, so now we got this thingy. We got this thingy-mabobber. Yeah. Give me back my crossbow now, or else I'm gonna. Anyways, now we're gonna get this and then go like that. And then we got this. Can you give me the purple one? Okay, so we do this and that. Doom, dim. Okay, let me make sure it's connected. No, it's not. Here, why is it like that? Stay on the ground. There we go. Give me it. Give me it. Okay, that last further now the bottom. Okay, now we got that. Let's do this and then that. Now let's do. I don't want it. Anyways. Oh wait, Ah! Okay, whatever. Okay, it's $100,000 firework, which is basically this. Oh. Oh, 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 that was cool. Now we're gonna do $1 million fire. We're doing $1 million firework. Because now the next one is about to be 1 billion. So we got an actual big boy launcher of my controller. So first we got this. Never mind, I don't need that. I missed. This is $1 million missile with 1 million dillion trillion billion killion, but they had a discount, so they made it 1 million. Give me back my sticky dynamite! Okay, now you connect it. Oh my god, I don't like the No, where'd it go? Oh my god. And then this, and then give me back my crossbow now, or else I'm gonna do some things to you. This. Now, I usually get firework for a boost.
Stop beating it.
I usually use a firework to boost it. So let's do this. Oh wait, first I gotta activate this and that. Yeah, this is just to boost it. So yeah, not that much. Hey, where'd it go? Oh, well that was a fail. Anyway, now it's time for $1 billion firework, and now the 1 trillion. So, oh, hey, why are you looking like Pinocchio? Anyways, let's test out this $1 billion firework. Do this. Oh, that was so big. Oh, okay, time for 1 trillion billion dillion cockle killion billion trillion billion and good. Okay, time for 1 trillion. Where is it? Where is it? Ta-da! Okay. Let's do this. So now that it's tested, let's do this. Okay, this is a ground, not a ground firework, but let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. Okay. Time for, but I accidentally skipped a firework, which was the 1 cent firework. So I'm gonna do that right now. So this is 1 cent. These are 3D printed, so that's why it's 1 cent. But they said there was something special inside the 3D printed grenade, but whatever. Let's try it! Oh wait, I forgot to tell that it says that your body was the firework, not the bombs. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Let me do my outro thingy. So okay, John.